President Nana Akufo-Addo is really taking the citizen and the youth of Republic of Ghana to the next level, guys. Is so amazing, my people. You can see this is the reason why I always say it. Even if you are a student, try to learn skills in your hands. Because when you have skills in your hands, trust me, you are not going to find it difficult in life. Even though you didn't achieve it now, trust me, in future, you are going to achieve it like magic, okay? You see what President Nana Akufo-Addo really did for people that have skills in their hands, okay? You can see it, guys. So that is what we will be talking about right here today, guys. Let's dive on it. And learn skills. If you don't have skills in your hands, better go and learn skills, because that is the reason why they call it workshop. Because when you have skills, you are not going to find it difficult in life. Trust me. Even though you didn't achieve it now, in future, you are going to achieve it, because the way President Nana Akufo-Addo take a step of contributing to people who have skills in their hands, trust me, I am so happy for them, okay? So guys, in case you are new in my channel, you don't know what I do in my channel, I always celebrate about Ghana and Nigeria issue, not for bad, my adorable people, it's for good, okay? So my all subscribers, lovers, supporters, viewers all over the world, I love you all with the love of God. Trust me, guys, I am not taking any of you guys for granted. I appreciate you all for the massive support, my people. Okay, guys, in today's video, it's all about our brothers that learn, our brothers that learn electrician, welder, bricklayer, carpenter, etc. President Nana Akufo-Addo decided to open TVET for them, so that it will use it to boost them, it will use it to empower them, my people. Okay, guys, in case if you don't understand what is the meaning of TVET, guys, it's just like, for instance, you know, when even if, let me use that Western word to make example to you guys. For instance, you learn hairdresser in Africa, or you learn weather, etc. Trust me, when you come to Western world, they can't just employ you just like that. You are going to advise. You need to go to the school. We call it a pharmacy, where we base here in France, okay? You are going to go to the school to learn it more, so that you can acquire the certificate, you know? If you are a lucky one, after going to that school, trust me, they are just going to employ you based on how you really study it, how you know how to do it, and they look at you to see that, yes, if they give you chance, you can display like magic. So they are just going to offer you a job. Do you know what? President Nana Akufo-Addo decided to open that kind of fabrica in Republic of Ghana. In case you are a welder, you can go there to learn more. You can study the school where you can acquire the certificate. If you are lucky, trust me, after attending that school, learning it straight in your hand, like you can do it in anywhere, they are just going to employ you. You are just going to find job like speed, okay? So if you are a mechanic, you are an electrician, welder, President Nana Akufo-Addo have offered that is offer you guys a huge one where you guys can take the course again, study it, that you guys will have the certificate. In anywhere you go and look for job, when they see that certificate and see the people who gave you that certificate, they are just going to employ you to that. They are just going to tell you, yeah, this guy study it, he have experience, okay? They are just going to employ you like speed, you know? In where me I am coming from, if you learn weather, you are just going to do your freedom, etc. Along the line, you will be looking for job, isn't it? But in Ghana, they are not doing it that way. After learning it your own, you have to go to school again to straighten your hands, to read it, to have it in your memory, okay? So from there, you can find job like speed. He decided to support his citizen. He decided to open this amazing TVET for his own citizen, where they can be studied, okay? So guys, if you have not subscribed to this amazing family, kindly do, okay? Do by hitting that subscribe button and turn that bell notification that will always tell you that, sorry guys, that will always tell you that your baby girl is here again. As you do so, may God bless you. Watch till the end. Whatsoever you think about this video, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section down below for your baby girl. And I will see you in my next video.
Bill, and if a British bill, as Sabre 2020 December, no Parliament Jitum, na President, and so assign as Sabre, your Education Regulators Act, and a British Act. Regulators Act, no, I established CTVET, Canona, your council, to their friend of Codvet, Sabre Commission, to their friend is CTVET, one share in Sophia, so. And if a dear your bachelor Mofrano soon, a friend a curricula, and a pedagogy acquire Befasua, Nina one you share. Na a dear from Kunsu a city vet, a year amateur vet in Yana said, a day, a numa, any addition, a boom. I a friend said, ya bridge gap between the academia and the industry. As Sabri, ya setting up sector scale bodies. And only ye, fuck we are factories in Pennyphone, and Yakan, boom. I will new Mahuro be Margaret Caron, construction cajon, welding and fabrication, be brave. Say, by your own bachelor and say, so what should have for a bricklaying? Technically, you need to first share a DNA or bachelor. So what should have mechatronics are? Near here industry, near to first shame not china, dear. And the curriculum, yes, I got a baby. Near can one dinner, one pet. I won't hear about Ghana. One back on Namibia, Africa skills. Next year, Namibia. Now, next year, pronounce 2022, October, and so no. So, when you may one for Africa, and also one could drink in the mouth. Now, you had one for world skills. And you have a was Shanghai, I war China. When you know about Buama. Ye mebuna ye Tibet no who said, and you won't want away at your own pace. It is competitive. And what you know, we have also been swimming your being so ye. Now, once why ye be. A person somehow confident. On Quash school beam near the Bankran Honey Pufford 73 and you know your contester. Oben will say Abraboni and Libre. Ye do call Namibia, no, say, eh, Simon to me, ye be John Podia and me yo me crassy. Now me yo go we are singing. And in the contest, no, would the first two, one about so 73. No, I be send your work account who nipem. Now we are near Mantem with time management, Bekoye, equipment, raw materials management, and Subekoye. Na fe would do who tunes and near who say, we are singing me who said, me say, na me fata. And if I did back on ye apprenticeship policy, and no, and yes, sir, ministry, and the city when I share them. Your friend industry players in Madame of War, Master of War, one industries.
You debate to your friend validation report. I media say a chair, a Juma, a buying a year war. TV sector in San Juma Afemno. Ludwa waya kosini in Shishaya or Diago Aquem Abwa Mayabidu Pempenswa Yabidu. Eti ya shall say, no, I say, Yama in Pennyphone, so Edmedia Banya Dinosum. Eti Yabechi Chim, na Yama Mafu who send echo. Eti Edikan be so governance here in Shishaya bind their good Quema. Ebema tawantawa na chese ha TV sector ni na etuetwa eti I don't know you can home sem na ye san kan access ni chese kwan ye be fa so a ya mabu ni ade on pese o musuan san no on be nya akwanya dodo de akosuan san no fa ko ni baby a o musuan no ya de betu dwa ni ebebe mo bia nya bia akobi na ya san so hwe afa a chese na be ya at the church to no much and San Juan no channel. A do a demo copim such as say, oh, call